everyone, especially to you, ma'am. This is my report, topic 12, when technology and humanity cross. When technology and humanity cross is relationship when this device has depended over the years as a technology continue to advance and shape our way of life. Television set, mobile phone, computers, and humanity. To be more scientific, these celebrate in the field of technology are television set, mobile phone, and computer. People all over the world use this technology every day to accomplish different purpose. It's remained to be a most used eventually by different advertisement components not only in the Philippines but also over the world. Television set, mobile phone, and computer humanity are all interconnected in our modern world. Television set have involved into the smart TV then can be connected to the internet and stream content, while mobile phone have become an essential tools from the communication, entertainment and productivity. Computers have also become an integral part of our daily lives, from words to entertainments to socialization. Humanity is a relationship when this device has developed over the years as technology to advance and shape our way of life. We rely on them for information, communication, and a connection to the world around us. Mobile phone used primarily for communication. Computer and laptop, on the other hand, can be used to surf internet and communicate. For a lot of people, they preferred industrial job and do their job using either a personal computer and laptop than can mobile phone. Then ethical dilemma faced by this technology advancement. It is the truth of this technology device as useful and beneficial that fact of remind that there are several dilemmas faced by this. Example: who loves to watch television show stay in front of the television for more than 6 hours a day, while those who love to surf in internet or play computer games stay on their laptop computer or mobile phone for more than half a day. Well, these as technology or device are useful, there no downside for their use. Specifically, this device can make people lies in unhealthy people are spending too much time looking at screen, not treating, ignore exercise or social interaction. There is a blame on this user of the technology for these negative consequences, but also suggests that those who create the technology may not be considering all of potential effects. Robotics in humanity. The robotics in humanity, other great product of the innovative minds of the people and the robots, which are not really built. Used for the example, they are so called device robots than to specific tasks, but focus mainly in the assisting their master in their everyday tasks. Hmm. Wait. Wait for. Wait. What is paragraph rules of the robots? Uh, wait. Robotic control. Robotic in humanity. Robotic in humanity. This paragraph say that even though robots designed to make our life easier than are ethical considering involved their development and use. The paragraph mentioned two specific dilemmas, and first is safety, and the question is who should be held and responsible if a robot harms someone. The second dilemma is emotional connection. It is make a robots should be given right or they become sentence able to feel emotion. Paragraph intellectual roles played by robot about robotics playing. A robot is perform complication tasks of humanity cannot, but they can also perform simple tasks at home. So, German was as the first country to develop service robot. Roles playing by robotics. The roles playing by robotics. They are primarily used to easy than workload or man, making making they are invited to make feel more efficient and less stressful. The articles of robotics then more playing more robotics. How to play become in how to clean up the kitchen table object is they being belong of the dishwasher and they dishes will be assorted and correctly into the dishwasher. Clean up the room of object then is not their proper place with the move of where they belong. Different role not only the lives of people but also in the society as a whole. They perform uncomplicated activity while humans being incapable doing. On the other hand, they perform of the simple tasks at home so that their master can be performed of complex one without stressing themselves over the simple tasks. There are also robots when the made up for the leisure. Is additional, there are also some same robot which were made to serve as toys. They also perform different activities, but they are as usual or child or friendly. That is a type of roles played by robotics.
Ethical dilemmas faced by robotics. Just like any other technological advancements, robotics also face different problems and dilemmas. One of the dilemmas faced by robots is safety. Who should be held accountable if someone's safety is compromised by a robot? Ethical dilemmas faced by robotics. The paragraph says that even though robots are designed to make our lives easier, there are ethical considerations involved in their development and use. The paragraph mentions two specific dilemmas. The first is safety. The question is who should be held responsible if a robot harms someone. The second dilemma is emotional connection. It asks if robots should be given rights if they become sentient and able to feel emotion. Moral and ethical issues in advanced technology. Individuals and organizations use technology to enhance their daily operations, be it business, learning, construction, or medical activities. Advancement in technology does not elicit ethical or moral issues, but it is the use of technological inventions that raises these issues. Moral and ethical issues in advanced technology. This topic says that while technology can improve our lives in many areas, there are important ethical questions to consider when developing and using new technologies. It mentions a few specific examples. One is the sharing of private information within an organization. Is this a moral or immoral action? Other example is the ability to manipulate records with information systems. This raises questions about the trustworthiness of information.